Okay, here we go with CPA Grip. CPA Grip is definitely one of my favorite companies because over multiple accounts I've earned hundreds of thousands of dollars with CPA Grip. You know, they're a very great. Okay guys, what I'm about to do right now in this video is show you guys some great trending niches. Now listen, when you're searching for a CPA niche and you don't. Okay, in this video, what I'm about to do is I'm about to show you guys the best way to find the most high quality content to lock. So without content to lock, we can't even operate a content locker because we have to lock exclusive content so people want to. Okay, what I'm about to do in this video is show you guys how to completely stay invisible with your CPA content locking URLs. Because to be honest with you, some of the big players out there such as Facebook and Google, they don't always like affiliate offers. Regardless if it's CPA marketing, clickbait, digital stuff, uh, Okay guys, I'm very proud to introduce you to the #1 most passive method for CPA marketers in 2018, and that is YouTube promotion. What makes YouTube so great for. Okay, in this video I'm about to show you guys some keyword research. Well, if you don't know who's searching for your stuff or how many people searching for your stuff, then it's no good to post a YouTube video at all. Because if there's only 500 people a month searching for your keyword, then be prepared to make about $5 a month. So we want to have. Okay guys, here we go. It's time to upload and optimize this video to rank in the YouTube search. So this is when things get very fun.